Hi there. Oh, I'm so glad you could join me. It's time for a bit of gardening today. My name is Anita, and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi visiting Australia. Come and have some fun, my daughter and I. A fun-filled day with the bees, the garden, and lots more. So, put on your gardening gloves, and here we go.
The baby. It's a lovely.
Slippery little Well, after saving lives and working hard, we deserve a decent lunch. You coming with us? So here we are, sitting having a lovely latte, waiting for lunch, and Roz said, walk round the back and have a look. And do you know, here is one of the classrooms from Max's old school. And it could even have been his. Oh, how lovely, and what a great way to reuse it. It's just awesome. And there's a gorgeous playhouse. So what a lovely property to have a cafe on. There's quite a few planter boxes around with rhubarb and herbs and things. Just lovely. Our compliments to the chef in the kitchen. The meals were just a delight. And when we finished, we went next door because there was this absolutely lovely and very laid-back garden centre. What a lovely nursery. What a lovely nursery. Oh, it was you. It was you. I heard you. I did. I did. Come and say hello. Nice fun with my little
No, that's a rooster, that one.
And now we've got something totally different up our sleeve. It was quite exciting, actually. Adventure number 3. Come along for the ride. We are about to make a difference. For the last treat of the day, Ros took me for an absolutely lovely drive in the countryside. How else? And Australian roads, Australian scenery. It's just stunning. So we'll sit back, relax, put on your seatbelt, and here we go.
Visit the website. This weekly podcast and Harvey Number Receive Services Association for remaining members. Proud to see you has been taught so many taking the
Well, we made it home in one piece, all safe and sound and weary from a busy day. I hope you enjoyed the day as well. So if you like this video, how about giving a comment and a like, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a regular visitor. I hope to see you again soon with more fun on the road.